that can be rewired. Or consider Maya Patel, a content creator who couldn't post consistently for 2 years straight. I had all these ideas, she says, but every time I sat down to create, I'd find myself scrolling through Instagram instead. Now she runs a channel with over 500,000 subscribers. Her secret: breaking down the intimidating mountain of content creation into molecular steps. Here's where it gets really interesting. Dr. Lisa Thompson's research at MIT reveals something extraordinary. When you procrastinate, your brain actually creates physical changes in its neural structure. The more you delay, the stronger these procrastination pathways become. But here's the good news. You can literally rewire these connections. The Global Productivity Institute's latest research shows 92% of procrastinators report feeling stuck in a guilt cycle. 76% have ambitious goals they never start. 68% believe they lack motivation. But here's the truth they don't tell you. Motivation isn't your starting point. It's your reward. Let's break down the science of breaking free. The Neural Reset Protocol. Acknowledge your brain's protective mechanism. Identify your specific resistance patterns. Create micro-commitments that bypass resistance. Track your progress systematically. The 2-minute revolution. Choose one task right now. Commit to just 120 seconds. Allow momentum to build naturally. Document your experience. Environment redesign strategy. Eliminate friction points in your workspace. Create visual cues for action. Establish accountability systems. Build supportive routines. Dr. Michael Brooks from Stanford's neuroscience department explains, every time you take even the smallest action, your brain releases dopamine. This creates a positive feedback loop that makes the next action easier. Consider Sarah Chong, a medical student who failed 3 times to establish a consistent study routine. Her transformation came through understanding the science of habit formation. Today, she's not just succeeding, she's teaching other students how to overcome academic procrastination. But let's address the elephant in the room: fear of failure. Dr. William Chen's research reveals something surprising. Procrastination is often a protection mechanism against potential disappointment. Transform your internal dialogue. Replace "I should" with "I choose to." Transform "this is overwhelming" into "what's my first tiny step?" Shift from "I'm not ready" to "I'm learning as I go." Your morning neural priming protocol. Set 3 micro goals before breakfast. Complete 1 2-minute task immediately. Celebrate small wins consciously. Your afternoon momentum building strategy. Use time blocking for focused work. Take strategic breaks every 52 minutes. Track energy levels and resistance patterns. Your evening reset ritual. Review daily achievements. Plan tomorrow's micro steps. Practice gratitude for progress. Remember Alexandra Torres, a graphic designer who couldn't launch her freelance career for 3 years? She started with just 2 minutes of portfolio work each morning. Today, she has a waiting list of clients and teaches other creatives how to overcome creative blocks. The science is clear. Small actions, consistently taken, create massive transformations. If you've resonated with any part of this message, hit that like button right now. Drop a comment below sharing your biggest procrastination challenge. Let's tackle this together. Consider this. Every successful person you admire started exactly where you are. The only difference: they learned to work with their brain's natural patterns instead of against them. This isn't about motivation. This isn't about willpower. This is about understanding your brain's ancient patterns and gently rewiring them for modern success. The next 2 minutes could change everything. What tiny action will you choose right now? Take that breath. Make that choice. Start that journey. Your future self is watching, waiting, hoping you'll begin. If this message resonated with you, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Subscribe for more science-based strategies for personal transformation. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time, right now. Your journey begins with a single step. Make it now.